In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Bluetooth on Tesla not working. So let's get started. Now, first of all, you can go ahead and come to this website which shows the manuals. Then from here, you can choose whatever model your Tesla is. So let's say it's Model X. So just go ahead and click on it. Choose the language. I'm just going to use English to demonstrate it. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click on connectivity. From here, you could go ahead and choose Bluetooth. Now, first, you should go ahead and read through this page and you should see if it resolves this issue because it does help you troubleshoot some Bluetooth errors. Now, let's say if it doesn't help you, now I'm going to go ahead over some more tips that could potentially resolve this issue. The first one is to restart the Tesla screen. Now hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen restarts. This resolves most software related Bluetooth glitches. The second way is to forget and repair the device. So on your Tesla, go to Controls, Bluetooth, select your device and click on Forget this device. And on your phone, forget your Tesla from Bluetooth settings and then reconnect by pairing your phone with the Tesla again. The next option or the next solution is to toggle Bluetooth on and off. So on your Tesla, go to Controls, Bluetooth, and toggle it off. Wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. And on the phone, turn Bluetooth off, wait, and then turn it back on and reattempt the connection. The next solution is to update the Tesla software. So check for updates by navigating to Controls and then Softwares. Install any pending updates as they often fix Bluetooth related bugs. And lastly is to restart your phone. So power off your phone completely and then restart it. And then after restarting, reconnect it to the Tesla Bluetooth system. Now, these methods should resolve the issue, but let's say if it does not, you'll have to go ahead and contact Tesla customer support and they can help you fix this issue hopefully. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that this helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.